So I just had a live session for binary option and sadly we did lose money. So let's take a look at the losses we did in this session because it's good for you to see that we can lose money in binary option, right? So let's take for today. Let's apply. Let's go here now. So you can see we lost, is this correct? 7? I think we are going to get one more. So should be 416, I guess. Let's see. Say 7 trades. But it's not 7, is it? Maybe they don't count the one that went 0. That might be. Did we lose only 300? I say only, but... yeah, we won one here. Okay. So 316. Let's try to do something about that. I will now take a big trade because I don't want a losing trade. I always say you can trade 2-3% of your account balance. That is what I do. So if you take that number here now, 35,098 plus, let's say, 2%, that's 700. So let's take a 700 trade. But before I do that, help me out. I see lately I get so few views on my videos. It's because my own fault, because I've been with crypto, I've been with forex, binary option robots for more than 1 year. I did see people lose money with binary options, so I did not want to do that more. And here I am now showing my best strategy, exactly a way that you can make money. Yes, we lost today, but overall we make money with this strategy. So help me out, like this video, subscribe to my channel, turn on this bell notification thing, and even if you don't have a question, just put a comment below. Let's try to boost my channel so we get some action again, so it's more fun to me to do live sessions, because if I can start to have a lot of people, for me a lot of people will be like 100 people in my live sessions, I will be super happy. So let's try to boost my channel, and let's see if we can get this back to some normal numbers at least, because I have 5,700 followers. I should have close to 1,000 in my 1,000 views on my videos, right? So help me out there. Also, as you see on the thing there right now, I give away a super account for Pocket Option. So if you have an account there from before, close it down and reopen. Of course, make sure you withdraw first and reopen with my link. I give 60% of my affiliate income. This is a win-win. I will still get 40%. So misunderstand correctly, I do get on it. But you get 60% of it. That means in form of cashback. So it's every time you trade, you get a little money back. So make sure you take advantage of that. And yeah, otherwise I will never beg you for I will do some live streams now free. You don't need to use my affiliate link, but you gain on it and I gain on it. So if you want to help me out also and help yourself, open with that link now. You find it below the video and you can find it up there right now. So now we have the intro out of the way. Let's see if we can turn this day into profit. So I think I will do one trade only with the best setup I can find, and let's see if we can turn this day into profit. I see this region super beautiful. If you come down here again, let's see, a little more down, I take it. There, we are in. That should be a winner. I can mark this area so you see it. You see it on here. It's support. We see that we had 1, 2, 3, and also as we have overall uptrend, I find this as a very nice area for a trade. And looks like we are getting a winner, and just like that. Now let's see how the gods are providing for us. So we go here, apply. Now you want to come in first. is still in minus 316. This the calculations sorry, the calculations here take a little time. I find it to take around 2 minutes after last trade. So then you need to listen my voice for more 2 minutes. I will have a live session again tomorrow. Tomorrow I will do it at 7:30 in morning. That is GMT -3. I'm located in Brazil, so we are following the Brasilia time. So just go to Google and make the difference between the time zones for yourself. So, but yes, tomorrow I will do a 1 hour live session for binary option and Forex. I do Forex also. So, but there will be a fine line in between both of them. So make sure you tune in then. Now let's see how this did turn out for us. Let's push apply again. There we got that in. And there you see, we turn at minus till plus. So now we have 328. That's the beauty when, let's see, let's go back to the trading here now. That's the beauty when you have a big account. I can have a live session. I did bad, I need to admit. You see, this is terrible win rate. But if we take win rate now, let's say we have 1, 2, 1 we don't count because this is a zero trade. You see, 100 and 100 and zero trade. So you don't count this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 trades. And out of 9 trades, we won 4 of them. So basically, we would not have lost that much. Even if this was just 100 trade, we would be not that bad. So we can do that calculation also if I have not done a bigger trade here now. So you can take, we basically have minus 900 plus 92 plus 92 plus 92 plus, wait. It's not 92, of course, it's 192. Let's do again. Minus 900, because it's 9 trade. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 trade, yes. Plus, now let's take real here now. 192 plus 192 plus 192, and one more time, plus 192. So if I had not done a bigger trade in the end, we would have just had lost $132 in this session. So there you see, even on a bad day, taking just one extra trade here now, we would have lost only $132. And most of the days you see I have like 400-500 in profit. So even if you had even if I stop it here now, we will be just $232 in minus. It's not that bad. So yes, follow the rule I have. Stop when you have 3 losses in a row. That's the rule. I'm not so good to follow it myself, but it's a good rule. So, and other than that, just trade. So yes, now I'm bubbling again. So I see you all tomorrow, and make sure you open with this super account, and we can trade some good tomorrow. And tomorrow we'll make profit. I will not promise you that, but we will. Have an amazing day.